To 17th century Suffolk, it was witchcraft, the Suffolk witch trial that changed English justice. She didn't live on the edge of a society or in some remote village. She lived in Lowestoft, and that was enough to get her killed. Rose Cullender was an elderly, impoverished woman living in Lowestoft in Suffolk in the early 1660s. She depended on her neighbours, argued when she felt wronged, and had little social protection. In a world where reputation mattered more than evidence, that made her dangerous. Her story begins with a local merchant, Samuel Pacey. After disputes with Rose Cullender and another Lowestoft woman, Amy Dooney, Pacey's young daughters began to suffer violent fits. They screamed, convulsed, and claimed to vomit pins and nails. To modern eyes, this looks like illness or psychological distress. To 17th century Suffolk, it was witchcraft. The children accused Rose Cullender directly. They claimed her spirit appeared to them, pinching them and tormenting them, forcing objects into their mouths. Neighbours testified that the girls collapsed into fits whenever Cullender approached, yet they remained calm when others touched them. This behaviour was treated as proof. Local magistrates examined Rose Cullender. Marks found on her body were declared witches' teats. Old arguments were reframed as curses. Poverty, age, and sharp words became evidence of a pact with the devil, obviously. The case was escalated to the Suffolk Assizes at Bury St Edmunds in March 1662. Presiding over the trial was Sir Matthew Hale, one of the most respected judges in England. This wasn't mob justice or a panicked village hearing. It was a formal Suffolk court applying the Witchcraft Act of 1604. Testimony from the children was accepted as evidence. Hale ruled that what the girls experienced could be used to determine guilt. Rose Cullender denied the charges, of course. It didn't make any difference. She and Amy Dooney were convicted and hanged at Bury St Edmunds shortly after the trial. The significance of the case didn't end with their deaths. The trial was published and widely circulated. Judges later cited it as justification for accepting spectral evidence in other witch trials across England. What happened in Suffolk helped shape how witches were condemned elsewhere. Rose Cullender wasn't powerful, she was vulnerable. And once the court decided what she represented, there was no way out. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like, please leave a nice comment, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this.